In this video, I will show you how to install Claude Code to VS Code. So the first step is to open your browser and then search for download VS Code and then click on the first link. Then you'll get redirected here, so you just have to choose. Now I have a MacBook, so I'm going to install this for my MacBook. Now all we have to do is simply install the VS Code app on our computer, and then after that we're gonna have to open up VS Code in order to install Claude Code. So as you can see, we have VS Code. Now we just have to go to extensions, and then from here we just have to search for Claude Code and then click on the first one. So as you can see, is the official app developed by Anthropic. So we just have to click on it and then click on install. Then we just have to choose Trust Publisher and install. Now all we have to do is simply wait until this loads up. So as you can see here on the right side, we have the Claude Code icon. So we can simply click on that to open it. So what we're gonna have to do next is simply click on Claude AI subscription, and then we'll get redirected to log in into our Claude AI account. Now keep in mind that if you're using Claude, you're gonna have to go on and upgrade your plan to the Pro. So you need at least Pro in order to be able to use Claude Code in VS Code. So basically after you upgrade, you'll be able to use Claude Code directly into the VS Code. So basically that's all you have to do. Thanks for watching.